Shri Bhagwati presents Wad Inserting Machine. A wad inserting machine is a specialized piece of equipment used in the packaging industry to insert wads or liners into caps or closures of containers. Wads are typically made of materials like foam, foil, paper, or plastic, and they are used to provide a seal, tamper-evident, or product protection for various types of packaged goods. The wad inserting machine automates the process of placing wads accurately and efficiently into the caps, ensuring consistent and reliable packaging. The wad inserting machine is designed to accurately place wads into the caps. The wads may be picked and placed using suction, mechanical arms, or other methods to ensure proper alignment and positioning. Wad inserting machines play a crucial role in ensuring the proper sealing, tamper resistance, and freshness of packaged products. They are commonly used in industries such as pharmaceuticals, food and beverages, cosmetics, and chemicals, where maintaining product integrity is essential. The specific features and capabilities of a wad inserting machine can vary based on the manufacturer, model, and industry requirements. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.